The Vice President Jessica Alupo has applauded the United Arab Emirates for the business partnership with Uganda despite the wide differences between the two countries' economies.
For coming down to Uganda, pull us also at that level. But as trade partners, that's very important, as trade partners. I heard the minister's statistics, which I want to believe that they are from authentic source of government. But according to the statistics the minister quoted, that our GDP as a country is slightly above about 55-60 billion US dollars. And the GDP of
This call was made at the opening of the UAE Business Expo in Kampala. Alupo also called upon more investors from the UAE to invest in Uganda to help the country grow, especially in agriculture, mechanization, tourism, and science and technology.
Emirates support our tourism industry coming down to Uganda, like it is already happening, because it will also enhance our external revenues and impact positively on our economy. We shall also continue persuading Ugandan people, East Africa, because Uganda we have a market of 45 million, East Africa of 390 million, maybe Africa 1.4 billion to travel to United Arab Emirates, because tourism.
Fred Mwebesa, the Minister for Trade, Industry and Cooperatives, noted that Uganda has great potential for trade, especially with partners like the UAE.
Similarly, our imports from the UAE have increased from $347.5 million 2012, 2013 to US dollars 1.18 billion 2022, 2023. Our major exports to
Abdallah Sultan, the chairman of Sajja Export Development, is optimistic that the UAE-Uganda collaboration will lead to an increase in export trade.
Without to be here with you, with the private sector from both countries, Your Excellency and the team, the Minister, you do a great job. And what we see the development happening in this country last few years. I will just mention one small thing. When we visited this country in 2015, the highway from Kampala to Entebbe was not existent. Not what we see now. You can move between two places, 45 kilometers in a few minutes, whereas last take you more than 1.5 hours. All in all. Everyone can remember this. This is a good achievement. This is
Uganda's target is to open a marketing agency and direct relations with the Chamber of Commerce, promotion of business activities to boost economic transformation. Naguja Serena, Beg Television.